Hey folks, this is Paul Spica and Brandon Garnott with Spica Real Estate, coming to you from the Spica Real Estate World Headquarters in downtown Byron Center, Michigan. And it's a cold December day out there, but we have some awesome hot data for the Planters Row market in Byron Center, Planters Row and Hightree Estates. What are some things that we want to highlight today?
Yep. So we printed off the report that you got in your email or in your mailbox. A couple things that we'll quick hit on. One listing that's currently out there by Buffum Builders, so that they do a nice product. It's a pretty large unit, so they've got 2,464 square feet above grade, so it's a large unit there.
It's a big two-story.
Yep. So that one's on a cul-de-sac there, and so that one's currently active, and again, that's a new construction condo or unit. 409,900, so 4099. And then one other kind of specific thing that I wanted to reference real quick is last month we mentioned a little bit more pre-owned homes on the market. So last month there were 13 homes on the market, and 7 of those were new construction, and then 6 were pre-owned homes. Some of those pre-owned ones have sold, and so today when we pull the numbers, there are 10 properties on the market in Planters Row and Hightree, and 7 of those are new construction. So there's less pre-owned homes on the market at the moment. And then we also wanted to hit, as you know, now it's December, so we wanted to do kind of a little bit of a recap of the year. And so far, there have been 24 homes that have sold in the Planters Row / Hightree neighborhoods. Now there are 3 that are currently pending, so it's possible that 24 could get bumped up by the end of the year. But 24 sold so far in 2018. And then just for kind of some other reference points, there's a total, we estimated 330 homes in that area. So 330 homes. This year, 24 have sold so far. Last year, a little bit less, 16 sold in all of 2017. And then in 2016, it was actually 24. So 16 was 24, 17 was kind of a little bit less, like I said, was 16, and then already 24 so far this year. So there are a lot of good things happening in the area because it's such a good neighborhood and such a good area of Byron Center that a lot of people like it. There's a lot of new construction going on, so some good signs there. Paul, anything you wanted to add to that?
Yeah, in the real estate industry, when we look at large neighborhoods, it is not uncommon for us to use the rough number of 10% turnover. And that's fairly industry-specific lingo, but basically what that means is that we generally will see 10% of the homes sell in any given year. And what we're seeing in these numbers when we say there's 24 homes that have sold in 2018 out of 330 is that is less than 10%. And that correlates with the fact that there are less homes on the market in general. And none of that is overly scientific. It's a little bit of art and science, but it's interesting, and it does continue to prove that it is still a seller's market, even though we are starting to see the market shift a little bit. And some of that's seasonal, some of that's the result of a number of other economic factors, but we are starting to see some shifts. So all that to say, Planters Row market is still doing really well, still building new homes in there, and it's still a great time to sell or buy. Interest rates are low, inventory's low, so whether you're buying or selling, it is still a great time to consider that. And we're here for you. If you have questions, we're downtown Byron Center, right across from Pete's, just down from Houseman's, and we're here to help if you have any questions. So with that, we'll wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you in 2019. Thanks, folks.